New to Spotify and want to learn how to use it? Well, we are here to guide you. Note that in this video, we are using Spotify Premium account. Now, starting with an explanation of Spotify Free and Spotify Premium. While Spotify Free includes ads and shuffle-only mode, Spotify Premium offers an ad-free experience, offline listening, and more control over your music. When you open the Spotify app, you'll see the homepage filled with playlists, new albums, mode-based selections, and podcasts. These are personalized based on what's popular and your listening history. As you use Spotify more, it gets better at suggesting music and podcasts you might enjoy. To explore music further, you can tap on search at the bottom and choose categories like genres, mode, or decade. Once you find something you like, tapping play starts the music. Remember, with a free account, you can only listen to playlists and albums in shuffle mode. During playback, you can manage your music tapping the song title at the bottom to access playback controls. Here you can play, pause, skip tracks, and adjust shuffle mode if you have Spotify Premium. Your Spotify library is where you can save your favorite songs. Simply tap the plus sign next to a song to add it. You can also save entire playlists, albums, or podcasts for offline listening by tapping the download arrow. Creating your own playlist is easy. Just tap the plus sign in your library. Choose playlist, name it, and start adding songs by searching and tapping the plus sign next to each song. Spotify also offers features like Spotify Radio, which can create playlists based on your favorite artists and songs, and DJ, an AI-driven feature that selects music based on your listening history. But note that it's only available for a few countries as it is on testing phase. If you want to discover what your friends and favorite influencers are listening to, you can follow them on Spotify. Simply search for the username, tap follow, and their updates will appear on your homepage. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more.